Imagine waking up, checking your notifications, and realizing a professional FC Barcelona player just hit the block button on you. No warning, no DM, just account not found. Today, I'm showing you the evidence, the TikToks that probably triggered it, and letting you guys decide, why is he so rude? Here is exactly what I posted right before I was silenced. I exposed the staged reality behind the perfect aesthetic. I showed everyone how Anna takes her own candid photos using a remote control. If the paparazzi won't follow you, I guess you have to be your own photographer. I analyzed how the rumors and the matching hats weren't a coincidence, but a calculated move. Anna noticed she was losing followers and suddenly posted a picture wearing Gaby's hat. Just a little reminder to the world that they hadn't broken up. It's all part of the fame game. This was the breaking point. I posted about the moment Gaby eventually finds out that the fan account supporting Anna was actually hers all along. I predicted the drama that's coming when the truth finally hits him. Why is a world-class player getting disturbed by a TikToker? If my theories were just fan fiction, he would have ignored them. But a block isn't an ignore, it's a reaction. So, what really happened behind the scenes? Is it possible Gaby didn't even do it? Imagine Anna scrolling through his phone, seeing my videos exposing her fan account, and hitting block before he could even see the truth. She's not just protecting her relationship, she's gatekeeping his feed. Or maybe he actually saw it. Imagine him confronting her. Is it true? Was that fan page really yours? Maybe they had a huge fight, and to stop the noise and save the relationship, he blocked me just to get some peace. Sometimes a block is a white flag. Let's be real, maybe he just loves his girlfriend. He sees the heat she's getting and he hates seeing people expose or hate on her. He might not care about the facts. He just wants to protect his person from the internet, even if that means blocking the truth. Think about it. Thousands of you tagging him, saying, Gaby, she's playing you. When the truth gets too loud, some people just turn down the volume. And before anyone says, maybe he blocked you by accident, let's be real. You don't just accidentally block someone on TikTok. To block a specific creator, you have to manually search for my username or click on my profile from a video. Open my account. Click the settings icon. Confirm the block. This wasn't a pocket dial. This was a conscious decision. He or she had to look at my profile, see my face, see my content, and decide, I don't want this person to exist on my feed anymore. It's a multi-step process that proves one thing: I'm officially on their radar. Which one do you believe? Did she take his phone? Did they fight? Or is he just a protective boyfriend who's tired of the noise? The most interesting part? We never even spoke. My first interaction with him was being silenced. That tells you everything you need to know. The block button was a choice, but the truth is a fact. Let me know your theories in the comments. He knows I exist. Do you?